Hi everyone, today we are providing you with a clear step-by-step guide that we can use to reset our username or password for Chase Bank directly from the sign-in page. So without any delay, just dive right into the video and get started. We can head over to Chrome and open it up. And first of all, go to the sign-in page, which is chase.com, and hit enter, and that should directly let us do this interface. Now here on our right hand side, we have a login interface where we can enter up a username and then our password in order to log in. Now if we want to reset our username or password from our sign-in page, we just need to click on this option called forgot username and password and click on it. And that should lead us to the next page. Here, so here we'll be asked for our social security number or the TIN, the tax ID. We need to enter it up here first. And right below it, we need to provide in our account card or application number, which may be from our debit or credit card. So you can enter it up. Once it is done, you can click on next and you need to verify your identity. You may need to enter the code from your registered phone number or the email to continue. And that way you should be able to recover it. You can just go over and reset your new username or your password and make sure your new password is very strong. Once you have done that, you can head back to the login page, and again you can enter up your username first, and right below it you can enter up your new password and confirm it up. After that is done, you can click on sign in and confirm it up, and that way you should be able to recover it. And that's it. If nothing else works, you can contact the Chase customer support. But usually this is how you should be able to do it. So we hope this video was helpful to you. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.